I brought my appetite because I am going to be learning how to cook some traditional Thai dishes in Bangkok. I've never been to a cooking class where they have their own herb garden, and we're going to be cooking some really fresh food with all of this.
Looks small, but tastes not small at all.
What's really neat about this class is you actually get to watch them make it, then taste it, and then you go to your workstation and make it yourself. This is by far the best cooking class I've ever been to. Not only is it like beautiful ambiance here and this gorgeous setting, I love the teachers, they have so much energy, and then we each get our own private workstation to learn how to cook. This is a 4-course meal that we're preparing today, and the good thing about this is you can actually come back, and I'm hoping to come back and learn some more because they have different menus each time. I love the sound of that. Yeah. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, they're always here to help you. Oh, yum!
Oh, the class was really good from the moment you arrive to the moment you leave. They've put a lot of thought into everything. Really straightforward and easy, and we're going to really look forward to cooking it when we get home.
And now it's time to enjoy my hard work. Oh my God. I can't believe I made this. Best Thai food I've ever had. It has been such a fun day learning some of the little tricks to Thai cooking. And now it's time for me to enjoy my banana and coconut cream. Best day ever.